Cracked screen? Charging issues? Gadget not working right? Don't panic. These repair tips might just save your tech and your money. Tip 1. Invest in a basic repair toolkit. With the right tools, 80% of small issues can be fixed at home. Tip 2. If your phone isn't charging properly, clean the port. Dust buildup is the silent killer of USB ports. Tip 3. Overheating laptop. Use compressed air to clean the vents. Dust blocks airflow and kills performance. Tip for our screen touch not responding. Sometimes it's the screen protector causing it. Replace it before rushing to a shop. Tip 5. Always take pictures before disassembling. This helps you reassemble correctly, especially for complex gadgets. Tip 6. Water damage. Dry gently with a hairdryer on low heat. Never charge it until fully dry. Tip 7. Now search model-specific repair videos. Most modern gadgets have detailed guides online, free and effective. Advanced tip. Apply thermal paste to old laptops. It reduces overheating and boosts speed. With the right approach and tools, you can fix more than you think. Save time, money, and learn a skill for life. If you found this helpful, like the video and subscribe for more smart tech fixes every week.